friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to have a riddle challenge all about fruits and vegetables.
Yay! I love guessing games, Mom.
I will give you a clue and you can try to guess the name. Are you ready?
Yes!
So get your basket ready and let us discover some amazing fruits and vegetables. The first one is I am long and orange. I am crunchy to bite. I help your eyes see better, especially at night. What am I?
I am a carrot.
Amazing, perfect. Now let us go to the next riddle. I am red or green and I grow on a tree. Crispy and sweet, you can make juice from me. What am I?
Yes, I am an apple.
Amazing, very good. I am brown on the outside and hairy. It's true, but slice me open and I am green with seeds too. What am I?
Yes, I am a kiwi.
Wow! Now the next one. I am round and orange. I grow on a tree. I am full of vitamin C. I can be squeezed for juice. What am I?
Yes, I am an orange.
Awesome! I am round and layered and I make you cry. I add flavor when cooked and I grow underground. What am I?
Yes, I am an onion.
Awesome! I am spiky on the outside but sweet and yellow inside. I grow in tropical places and I wear a leafy crown. What am I?
Yes, I am a pineapple.
Amazing! I am round and red. Some say I am a fruit. I am juicy in salads or cooked in a soup. What am I?
Yes, I am a tomato.
Perfect. I am red and sweet with seeds on my skin. You often find me in summer and I am shaped like heart. What am I?
Yes, I am a strawberry.
Amazing. I am leafy and green and I grow in a bunch. You will find me in salads and I have a crisp crunch.
Yes, I am a lettuce.
Beautiful. Now I am yellow on the outside but white on the inside. Monkeys love me and I am easy to peel. What am I?
Yes, I am a banana.
Awesome. So that was amazing, right? You have guessed all of them correct, friends. Let us say our fruits and vegetables together. Amazing. Great job playing. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.